wish that other people knew about going bald that it is very psychological. It's very psychological. It's all in the head. Because all that's happening is you're losing your hair. You know, like that's just a genetic thing. It happens. It's natural. People lose their hair, and that's, you know, it happens with age. But it's what you just start to see it. You start to see yourself changing in the mirror every time you look at yourself. You're like, that's not how I looked 2 years ago or 6 months ago or whatever. And there's that, I guess, like mourning of that. There's a mourning of who you were before with hair and who you are now with less hair, and thinking, how can I maybe get back to who I was with it to feel more confident in myself?